po sila 35 pesos, pay for 100. And then, we will give you 45 minutes to an hour in this area para ma-enjoy pa ninyo. Okay, please be reminded everyone to bring along with you your cell phone, your wallet, and your camera for your own comfort po. The rest of your personal belongings, you can leave it here, pwede na sa ilalim ng table para mabantayan naman po yan ang ating kapitan, ang aming boat captain. We will stay here to take charge of your personal belongings. No need to wear your life jacket kasi mababa lang naman, naka-shoreline tayo. But ang mga bata, as soon as possible, pasutin na lang natin ang life jacket. Kasi para sa kanilang comfort. Pero kung titingnan ko, nandiyan naman kayo, to mapagbantay sa kanilang, pwede lang din hindi kung saan sila komportable lang. Sige? Again, 45 minutes an hour in this area. This is Coral, Kaya, this resort in Babu Santa. Everybody, hip hip!